guys, welcome back to Indie Kitchen with my mom, Indy. Today she will be showing you how to cook vegan-friendly fried okra. Stay tuned.
Welcome back to Indie Kitchen with Indy, and today I'm just making some fried okra. I know a lot of my friends are asking for like a vegetarian dish. Well, this is one that I do in my house a lot because it's super easy and my son loves it too. So I'm just going to chop up this okra real fast. So there you go. I just chop them up like this. And then we're just gonna fry them up. It's so easy. And that's it. So because I have it on high heat, it's hot. Heat it up really fast. I'm just gonna throw the okra in. Fry it up on high heat because I like it really crispy, really crispy, and looking kind of bun up, you know. That's how we like it. So I'm gonna put some salt. Salt's gonna bring out some of the moisture, and remember, okra is really slimy, so the high heat will burn out the slime because you don't want the slime. Well, unless you want it, but I like it crispy. Like you could even see some of that slime. So we're gonna fry that out. I want it to get really dark in color, and I just keep stirring it, and then I flatten it like this and let it cook just on high heat. Keep an eye on it, and we'll be back. So look at this. See how dark they're getting? It's gonna be delicious flavor. And honestly, there's nothing else in this. It's just fried okra with some salt. The salt brings out the flavor. I'm going to season it again. I'm going to put a little bit of black pepper. So I just chopped up some garlic, 2 cloves, just for some flavor, and I didn't want to burn it, but now that it's like half there, we're going to let this fry up and we'll be back. There you have it. That's it. Perfectly done. All the charred flavor. Like, guys, this is so delicious. Like, just fry up your okra with some salt. Once it's halfway done, you do the garlic so the garlic doesn't get too burnt, you know. But oh my god, amazing. I'm gonna plate this up. See you soon. And there you have it. Dal, rice, and fried okra. Just like that, little man's food is ready to go. All vegan, all vegetarian, no meat. Hopefully you guys enjoyed as much as we do. Thank you for hanging in the kitchen with Indy. Please stay tuned. We got lots of cooking. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, share, and tell all your friends. Thanks for watching. See you next time.
This is always the best. Oh
How's
my
the
gosh.
fried okra?
Has so much flavor in it. It's so good. This is the best. And I love the dal. Thanks for the food. It's really good.
You're welcome, baby.